They haven't really connected with the customers and with the dealers in general, and I just think it's time for new leadership.
Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host here, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the channel. If you're a member of the nation, thank you. And if you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. So you may have heard the news that the current CEO of Harley Davidson, Johann Zeitz, has announced his retirement from Harley Davidson. Retirement, firing, or taking the golden parachute can all describe his exit. There's all kinds of details I could go into on this, but that's not what I wanted to talk about today. I haven't heard anyone in the Harley riding community be upset about his exit, but are rather thrilled he's leaving. But how are the dealerships feeling about this? I would say they are thrilled as we are about his exit.
Harley Davidson Chairman CEO Jochen Zeitz is retiring after 5 years. The announcement of his departure came just days after a board member resigned and called for Zeitz and 2 other leaders to step down. The company said in an SEC filing in response, that board member was, quote, not a dissenting voice in the boardroom as to matters he raised in his letter.
If you wanted to know the number of Harley dealers who are happy that a new CEO will be coming in, the number is all of them.
Over the past few years, I've had the privilege of speaking with various dealership owners about the working climate between what I call the mothership in Milwaukee and the local family-owned dealership. Not necessarily those auto group dealerships, but family-owned, the heart and soul of Harley. When you walk into a family-run dealership and an automotive group dealership, you can feel the difference. Those family dealerships are one of the big reasons for building that Harley-Davidson experience, and in many cases, the phenomenon of the Harley lifestyle. Well, from what I've heard from speaking with owners is that the mothership in Milwaukee stopped listening to dealers' concerns due to Zeitz's leadership. It became, do as I say or pay the price. Which one owner shared their experience of telling Zeitz, nope, it was quite the story, and fortunately they came out of the confrontation on the better side. We have all seen the family dealerships either closing or being bought out by automotive groups, and an approach that was highly encouraged by Zeitz was to be bought out by these automotive groups. There were crazy restrictions and demands placed on dealerships that cut deep into their profits of the dealership. This forced many of them to make the tough decision of, do they stay open, or do they try to sell, or do they just close? Many just closed. I'm sure you've seen the long list of the closures. I can tell you the dealers are just as excited at seeing who the Harley board hires as the new CEO as we are in the riding community. But this could also be another disastrous choice, which could have a horrendous impact on Harley Davidson. Time will tell, and the next CEO is walking into a very difficult situation. If you have a family-run dealership that you go to a lot, give them your support. We are all entering this new phase of Harley Davidson together. It will be interesting to see what the future holds for Harley. Harley's been around for over 122 years, and hopefully it will survive for another 122 years. Well, thank you for watching, and if you are a member of the nation, again, thank you so much. And if you would like to be a member of the nation, it's free. Just hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. Ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.